Yeah, I see Pokey 2015 here with a trip report for you. Like I said, I am doing a trip report. As you can see, there's a Delta MD-90 out there. And we got G11, which is empty. I will take some pictures for you and I'll put them on the video for you. So, I'll do the video again once we get out of the gate, okay? Once we get at our gate, okay? Alright, bye. Okay, here's our plane. Gate G17. So there's gate G15. I took a picture of 757 there. It pulled out already, so I think it's going to Los Angeles, then to then going on to Honolulu. So, which is in Hawaii. If you didn't know that, I'm sure a lot of you know that, but I'll just say it anyway. Yeah, G17 is our gate. I'll try. Oh, it's an American there. There, an old livery. Old livery, yeah. I don't know where it's going to, but yeah. I'll try to get a picture inside the jetway before we board. Alright, that is all. Bye. So as you can see, there was a Sun Country 737 taking off there. We're in our seat right now. I did not get a window seat, unfortunately, so I couldn't, view the whole aircraft. But, so we push back right now. There is another 737 out there just like ours, 877DN. I don't know how old it is or when it was delivered, but there's also an MD-80 there, and then a 717-200. As we push back, you'll see it. It has like a ring around the tail area. It's a white ring, you'll see it on the tail. So we're pushing back right now. Let's see. Okay, so you can see there's a kind of a whitish ring around that. I don't know what I forgot what it was called. But there's an American MD-80 taking off. Those won't be lasting that long anymore because they're retiring those. So I hope you enjoy the taxi and takeoff.
Another seat. As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. And even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. For everyone's safety, federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the closing placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabin, in addition to any crew member instructions. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a restroom smoke detector. There are 8 exits on this plane, 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. The 4 doors have detachable slides that can be used for flotation. Life rafts are located in ceiling compartments at the front and center of the plane. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there's a loss of power and cabin visibility is reduced, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you, and remember, they might be behind you. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others. A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are located under your seats in the main cabin. If you're seated in the first class or business class cabin, life vests are either in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust loosely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. If necessary, we'll distribute additional life vests for children who weigh 35 pounds or less. Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests and headrests are lowered, your tray table is put away, and all carrying items are properly stowed. As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions. And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
On behalf of everyone at Delta Airlines, we want to thank you for paying attention. Now, as we prepare for takeoff, please relax and enjoy your flight.
There we go. We're gonna be making our way to takeoff now. Here's takeoff. I think we're taking off now as soon as we get on the runway.
Oh. You gotta wait till the other one pulls off.
Still on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll probably stop. It's the same runway that we took in May when we went. It's like, well, we're on the runway now, so 30 left is our runway. Oh, there's a 777 there. Okay, I see a Delta regional jet. I see a lot of. I saw United. Looks like we're taking off. Here we go. MD-90. 73. CRJ. 757-200. 717. Lots of 717s and 737s out there. And V1 rotate. There we go. We're up.
How's the rig? You're up.
How's the rig? You're up. Hard to hear the engine roaring. Oh well. Sounds nice though. Turning east, right? Southeast?
That depends on what ATC wants us to do.
Yep. This is like one of the quietest ones. That's my tablecloth. So I'm getting ready for breakfast. So next you see an orange juice. Then next you see my breakfast. I already ate it already, unfortunately, so sorry. Okay, so we started our descent into Tennessee. I don't know how they do this, but I mean, actually Tennessee is not that far. I think we started Chattanooga. I think we started descending in Chattanooga. They actually have a small airport right there. Yeah. So as you can see, there's a lot of clouds around. I didn't know what the weather was right at that time, but it was. It looked really nice out. And, yeah. So I hope you enjoy the landing. All right, that's all for now.
This isn't cool. There's our hotel.
Our arrival gate is A33, and the pilots did a great job of making up some time, so we're actually.